51 lives lost, many of them children, in a flash flood nightmare that swept through Texas without warning. How did this devastating Texas flood tragedy unfold so rapidly, and why are authorities now under intense scrutiny for their response? The Guadalupe River transformed into a raging torrent early Friday, claiming at least 51 lives in Kerr County and surrounding areas, with 27 girls still missing from Camp Mystic. Despite warnings from forecasters hours earlier, local officials claim the sheer intensity of the Texas flood was unanticipated. Questions are mounting about why flood warning systems weren't in place and the potential impact of budget cuts to vital weather agencies. Rescue efforts continue around the clock, but this Texas flood tragedy has left a community shattered and demanding answers.